Buenos dias, hello, good morning. This is Andrew Weston, resonating in all solar systems, planets, and stars from the galactic system of the energy core. High rising on so many dimensional realms through definitive space, through space continuum and the galactic system and the energy systematical systems. We're high rising in so many dimensional realms right now, ladies and gentlemen. It's unbelievable. My atmospheres are so connected through archangels and angels and everything through its from spiritual walkers to divine angels, method angels, there's psychological angels. There's so many different kinds of angels, and these angels give you repetitious of everything that you need to know through information, and their healing source is so powerful, and they have so much connection ways through their information, through the angelic realms. Extremely powerful stuff that's going on right now. So I recommend when you meditate is to use these archangels and angels every single day. They give you a lot more energy that goes into the systems. So today I'd like to thank all the subscribers and viewers and everybody that's connected right now. There's so much love and resonance right now. I'm in Cancun. I went snorkeling yesterday. I went through the ground formations. I saw the grounds. I saw the waters continue. I saw the matrix grids. It's line dividing in so many different century circles, and those century circles are going through the yin and the yang. There's so much emotion. You can't believe that waters continue would have emotion, but it does, because it synchronizes through. I hear everything. I hear dolphins. Once you're connected through the senses, it high rises in so many different vibrations through its harmonic systems. So it's tremendous force. The polarity systems is going through its planetary systems. Now the planetary systems is connection waves through the matrix and its code frequencies. So it's high connecting at so many different levels of heat signatures, and those heat signatures are voluming on so many electric devices through connection waves, through the line graphing and the systematical graphing of its systems, which is connection waves of electronic systems. And those hydraulic systems is connection through everything, through the psychomatical systems of the energy and the body and ego systems. I know there's a lot going on right now. I had so much energy. Every time I meditate, there's so much information that goes to my data processing that I allow myself to see myself, to do myself, to be myself, to know myself. And everything around me through its atmospheres has full connection waves. So my perception is so strong and so powerful through electric fields. It's also basically electronic interference from the hydraulic systems, magnetic, magnesium, polarized, energized, gamma rays, and radiation systems. Okay? So let's just take, for example, where we have Mercury, the planet. Mercury resides on a battery system, which is basically connected to the polarity of the magnesium, electronic, hydraulic, metorolic systems. Okay, so let's just say everybody's a battery. It's understanding the levels of its battery. Once you understand the levels of the battery, you understand how to use the body and ego systems through the electronic interface, through the line interface, through line security, line defense, security defense. Everything has its magnetic, magnesium, polarized, systematical, hydraulic systems. So it's high rising in so many different vibrations through their harmonic systems right now. It's unbelievable, the connection waves. It's just incredible. So I just thought I'd let you know what Mercury is, the planet Mercury. Now every planet resides on father and mother Gaia systems, which have brother and sister systems. So they're all related, like Neptune. Everybody knows the planet Neptune. Neptune is relation to brother of a solar planet, which is connected to nebula. So Neptune and nebula have huge connections. So they're brothers, right? And the sisters planets are basically the ones that are solarized through its emotion, which is Saturn, okay, and Uranus. Uranus is a totally different kind of planet. It soul shifts its identification through its planetary system of the electronic systems, okay, its connection waves through its patterns and its voicing patterns, has full radio signals. So it line graphs, okay, and creates a new evolution of a dimensional realm and a shape, and that's why they call it Uranus, right? Because it's, but its size graphs through another planet of another dimension. So it's all connected through lines and through its formations of the matrix and its grids. Okay? So once you get an understanding of the planetary system, you'll understand how everything works through the body and ecosystems, how it's not just mechanical, but the mechanical becomes its fluently. It becomes a flowing mechanism, right? And that's what I mean by speed and velocity and acceleration. It high rises in so many magnetic forces through the magnesium planetary systems. So it's incredible force that's going on right now in Cancun. It's unreal. So I have another day adventure going on right now. So I know I said I was going to do a live stream. I'm going to be doing that when I get back because tomorrow's my last day. And I'm flying back to Mexico City. So I'll definitely make a live show for you guys for the streaming. So I'm going to enjoy my last day here. I'm going to go to the cenote, spring waters, where it's full connection waves, and the waters is so clear, it's crystal. It's like you can see beyond, beneath. And they have these little fishes, you know, that bite you. It's because the energy cycles are through the systematical systems. The energy vibrations is high rising through the body systems. It's unbelievable force that's going on. And I'm high rising in so many electronics right now through the energies of the energy cycles through my body and ecosystems right now. So that's why I'm saying I'm kind of like a battery that charges through the pyramids. And what that galactic higher self does is it formulates through a Mercury planet, which is an energetic energy source, and that magnetic force comes through the magnesium. It polarizes all the diamond's core, which is the century circle, which is with the higher self, chakra formation number 13. So you get that plus the galactic higher self. They polarize, generize through its magnesium and its magnetic force through the pyramids. That's why we use Mercury. Mercury is a magnetic force system planet. Okay, so that's what Mercury is used for that planetary system. It's an energetic magnesium magnetic force that we use to polarize and energize our Duracell batteries. Let's just say it's a Duracell battery because we're all connected through that way, through its electronic force. So I'm going to let you go. There's a lot going on right now through Cancun. Cloud formations are great. It's a beautiful sunny sky. It's unbelievable what's going on right now. And the ground formations are high rising through so many electric defenses. It's unbelievable as a line defensing and all through its mechanisms. It's connection full waves with the body and ecosystems. So just imagine I'm standing here and there's so much electricity that's coming up through my body. That's exactly what's happening. And that's what I mean by battery charge. How it's connected through its planetary of its Mercury systems. So, questions or comments are great. I love you guys very much. This is Andrew Weston, resonating all solar system, planets, intelligence from the galactic system of the energy core, communicating on all waving lengths of Mercury and all its planets, solar systems of intelligence. Calling out. Adios!